I'm going to start off by telling you that I did the repair and the refrigerator is ticking and running again. So we'll go back in time and I'll show you how I did it. But it's a GE side-by-side. The model number is GSH22JFREWW. And the part is the control board, that's WR55X10942. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Remember, before you start working on the refrigerator, to unplug it. So it's 2 o'clock in the morning and my refrigerator is clicking. You know, on the internet it says it could be the motherboard. So there is the motherboard of my GE refrigerator. There you see, the ice dispenser won't work. Now you can see whenever it clicks, the light flashes. That's another symptom. Maybe you have the same problem I do. Okay, well this problem started on Friday night, of course. Everything happens on a Friday, just to screw you for the weekend, right? But I got lucky. Saturday morning I was able to get the part for the refrigerator. And see what the part looks like. Okay. And there it is. And if you live in Pennsylvania, you should need a part. I was lucky enough to get this at Appliance Parts and Supply on West Market Street in Kingston, Pennsylvania. They hooked me up. It was $138 plus tax. A little bit more than you'll find on the internet, but well worth it if you want to get it done real quick. There's these little plastic clips here. You just have to move it over with a screwdriver and then pull it out like that. Alright, here's the old one on the left and here's the new one on the right. As you can see, the ground wire is a little different. On the old one we had a clip, and on this one we gotta put a screw through it and ground it to the refrigerator itself. Now, those are real technical terms, right? I'm winging this, people. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a little improv. I'm not going to get too crazy about it. We're going to take the old ground off. I'm going to clip that. And now we're going to do this. And I'm just going to attach it to here like this. Yeah, I got the ground wrapped around. I'm just going to tape it up. Not to be fancy. This is just how I'm doing it. Okay. I got the new one put over those white clips that hold it into place. I'm just going to snap it in place, being as careful as I can not to do any damage. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just making the connections. They just slip on like that. Alright, now I'm making the bottom connections. Now the true test. Eureka! So that is the magic of YouTube. My refrigerator is running again. some people out there in YouTube land put some videos to help me diagnose it. Got the part, got it done, and now I hope this helps you. And the ice maker works again.